Understanding cover up, a deep dive. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cover up. This is a common English expression with multiple meanings, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use it. Let's dive in. The phrase, cover up, in its most basic form, literally means to place something on top of something else to hide or protect it. For example, if it's cold outside, you might cover up with a blanket. Example, it's chilly in here. I need to cover up with a blanket. Beyond its literal meaning, cover up is often used in a figurative sense. Here, it implies hiding the truth about something, especially when something wrong or illegal has been done. Example, the politician tried to cover up the scandal, but the truth eventually came out. This usage can be seen in various contexts like politics, business, or personal matters. It's about concealing the facts or actions from being discovered. Interestingly, cover up can also be a noun. In this context, it often refers to an attempt to prevent people from learning the truth about something. Example, the investigation revealed a cover-up of the company's financial misdeeds. Additionally, in fashion, a cover-up is a piece of clothing worn over a swimsuit, either for protection from the sun or for modesty. Example, she wore a beautiful cover-up over her swimsuit at the beach. 1. Context is key. Depending on the context, cover up can have different meanings, so always pay attention to the surrounding information. 2. Verb or noun. Remember that cover up can be used as a verb, the action of hiding something, or as a noun, the act or instance of hiding or the thing that hides. 3. Common in everyday speech. You'll hear cover up in daily conversations, news, movies, and more. Now that you know its meanings, you'll recognize it easily. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, cover up. Remember, English is full of phrases that can have both literal and figurative meanings. Always stay curious and keep learning. I hope this video has shed light on the nuances of cover up. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.